This is the whole crew outside. That's Smokey. He can be grumpy with him. Lacey's made him afraid of him, so he don't like him anywhere around him. Smokey. But if you notice, Lacey knows that he ain't gonna hurt him because she just kind of looks at him and goes on. He's just chasing him away. Smokey, be good. Okay, it's cold out here. The wind's blowing, so I'm going to call them in. Come on, puppies, puppies, puppies. Come on, Smokey. Lacey. There's Smokey. He's always first to the door. Come on, puppies. Come on. Come on, puppies. Come on, puppies, puppies, puppies. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, I got... That's Kira at the steps. Here comes Ramsey. Come on. And Yoshi, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, I'm missing 3. Come on, Lacey. There's Legend. Come on, Legend. No, come here. Come on. Come on. Come on, I'm missing 2 puppies. And there's Bruno and Reese. Come on, Lacey, bring them on. Lacey, come on, bring them. Lacey, come on. Inside, everybody. Yeah. Who you barking at? Who you barking at? Reese? Who are you barking at? Are you guys ready to go inside? Come on. Come on, Lacey. Come on, everybody in. Come on, puppies. Lacey, come here. Lacey, come here. Lacey, don't take him back outside. Lacey, come here. Come here, Lacey. Come on. Lacey. She loves it outside when it's cold, and she's wanting them to stay with her, so let me go gather them up.